Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are going to attempt to do a challenge. This is 400 fries in 10 minutes, but in our case it's 800 fries in 10 minutes. We're going to see how much fries we can actually eat in that time frame. No, I'm not gonna eat all of the food enough. All right, so don't bother come judge me. And for those of you who are new, my name is Shanice and
Richie.
And thank you so much for joining us today. And guys, the ones who are new to the channel, I'm not going to do an outfit of the day because we want to dig in and get this challenge started.
Okay.
So I just have some of the Sweet Baby Ray's chicken dipping sauce. I did see this on Steph&Tasha's channel, and they're the ones who came up with this challenge. And
you know we got to keep it Baby Ray's. I've been telling y'all that Baby Ray's
is the way to go.
All right.
And then we have some Chick-fil-A sauce also. We found this in the store.
Yeah, the Chick-fil-A sauce. Yeah.
And okay.
Let's go.
Oh, so we're gonna eat 5 at a time.
Yes.
And then hopefully, if I'm new at editing, so hopefully I can put the numbers on the side to see how much each person ate. If not, you guys can keep a track. But we have 10 minutes. You ready to start, honey?
I'm gonna start this. All right. Let's. Okay, let me see. Tom. Ready?
Yes.
Go. Counting down.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Is it counting down? Yes, it is.
It's counting down, right?
Yes. So we're gonna do 5 at a time. 4.
I got 5.
I got 5.
Yeah, I'll try to mine. It's Christmas one.
Mm.
Ten.
I'm full already, you know.
Go over there. It's dying down?
My husband was right. I made these fries a little bit too crispy.
It's dying down already? No.
So, it's a little harder to chew, but
15.
I'm eating 10. I don't know if me can yam food fast enough. Oh, but I want to try. And for those of you who are new, we are Jamaican. So if you hear some patois thrown in the mix,
That's 20.
I'm still on 10, guys. Mm. 15.
Alright, the fuck. 25.
Mm-mm.
30.
$20.
35. Good. How much is it? 35? Dark as fuck. 40.
25. Listen to me.
Our fries are big enough?
Fries are big, and he was right. I made them too crispy. I'm sorry.
It's all good. All good.
But then if they're too softy, it's like it doesn't taste good. It tastes like it's not cooked.
45.
30.
Oh, that guy is still doing the same thing.
What?
What's up?
What's it on?
That shit ain't working.
What do you mean?
It's not cutting down.
So what is it doing?
You just go up and down. Look, step my head up.
Oh my gosh. So you're the one who said it though.
I said it, but it's the same thing. Okay. See, look. Oh,
Yeah, 520.
oh shit. My bad. Is that 520? That's a... Oh my god! Oh shit. Oh myself.
Really?
Figure it. I even lost count. I don't remember much.
It's okay.
I think
When I edit the video, I can add that in. Just keep my eating 5.
I think it's 45 right here.
We got 5 minutes.
Shit.
Just 5 again. I'm gonna stop counting and then I'm editing.
Good job, huh?
And too crispy. Word of the wise, don't make it so crispy.
50. You're doing good.
Yeah? I'm let you know what I'm at.
55. Mm-mm. 3 minutes, okay.
What? How the hell she ate so much fries? It wasn't so crispy, that's why.
I got to no, 55 is.
I can always add it.
Damn.
Not everything to me get to 50 yet. Not to this.
55 is. Oh, you're doing your fuck.
And Tasha was talking, and she still ate 160 fries. My gosh. She's good. You can't do something there.
Wow. I thought her it's like a boxing. 60.
Looks like you got 2 minutes. Let's try to find soft ones.
Try to find the soft ones.
That's the problem.
Too crunchy.
Too crunchy.
Alright.
Too crunchy. Don't make it so crunchy, guys.
$65. 1 bar. Look at 1 minute and change that some.
Keep on going. Another 5. Oops. I didn't even think about it being too crispy. I thought if it's too softy, it's gonna taste like it's not cooked. Oh my god.
You're hurt.
My mouth. What is that? Try my bone. Yeah.
70 mil.
I can't chew
Can't win.
because it's too hard. This, it being crispy like this, you're done. 10 minutes. Is if you're eating it a little bit. Not if you're eating a whole bunch of fries. So at least we made a mistake, and you guys can make sure you don't do the same thing we do. If you're gonna do the challenge, don't make the fries them so hard. Okay. Oh my god. Make sure you guys fry the fries them soft, and that's our time. I'm gonna add at the end how much I ate and how much my husband ate, because just make sure you don't fry them hard.
Too hard.
Fry them like a little soft, but
We try to picture like we buy, like we tell them when we go to the restaurant.
yeah.
Wee.
Yeah, man.
Gum the cut, right?
Tear me up, man. The fries and tear up my mouth. Thank you guys so much for watching us today. My first time doing a challenge. Oh, second time.
You did good.
I still feel.
You did good.
If they were softer, I think it'd have been better. Cause then, but it's still a lot of chewing though. Yeah.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. You know what it is.
And I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you next time for another mukbang.
Bye.